Alright, hello everyone, here is the video number I think 11. We will see today how we can make an logo. It's different from the car logos. It's a logo for social brand, which is of course very popular, which is LinkedIn. And basically, as usual, we will load the reference images, and I think the reference is here. So it's very simple. Basically, we will make two versions. One with the in, which is insert, and one which is out. So basically, we can say that we have the diameter is 20, so we can add circle, and this circle maybe point 1, and rotate around x 90 degrees, and scale down, scale down, scale down again, scale down again, and that's it. Basically, we can start from the base. Let's start with 40, and rotate around x 90 degrees. Fill, inset few times. That's fine. Now let's, if you want to call it base, it will be more organized. We can hide for a moment, and let's try to add here an plane, and this plane may be 0.04, and rotate around x 90 degrees and scale. I'll move it to be here and move that edge here. That's fine. If you want to make extrusion here, it will be easy, and add another loop cut here and move that edge to be here. It's very fine. Add another loop cut here, and after that you can move and extrude 1 time 2 3 4 5 6. Extrude 1 time 2 3 4 5 6. If you can fill such as this, it will be helpful. And now we can extrude on the Z and move it to be here. Amazing. Now let's duplicate on the x-axis and extrude. If you would like, you can add here a circle with 20 centimeter, and maybe let's here try to be 24, and add the circle to be here, and I will scale down such as this. Very fine. Let's fill one time and select all the face. What happens here? It's not error. Let's display that. So when you press 1 2 3, it will show, it will 1 go to first layer, 2 go to second layer, and so on. If you want to show the shift 1 and hide, shift 1, as you can see, shift 1, it shows the first layer. So this is very fine. Now for layers, you can press 1 to go to the first layer, 2 to second layer, 3 4 5, and so on. But shift 1 will hide and unhide this layer, as you can see. So you can press shift 1, shift 2, shift 3, shift 4, shift 5 to show all layers. That's fine. We have made that. Of course, I think we can add a few loops to define the edge here. Let's try to add loop cut and see what and where edges should we apply. I think we can apply an edge here and another edge here, and let's apply another edge here and press Ctrl B. So that's fine for now, and maybe add loop cut here and another loop cut here. I think it's very close. Don't forget to add loop cut here and another loop cut here. The first version that we will make, of course, is let's first add here an loop or extrusion, and maybe if you want to add a little bit of detail, you can add bevel here. That's fine. For the N, let's go here and an extrusion, little bit and a little bit. We will do the same for this circle. but let's fill first and inset one time and inset, then we can extrude, extrude, and extrude, select all and make shade smooth. It's very fine. Now let's add loop cut here, and I want to add subdivision surface from here 2 and 4 maybe. It's the time for materials, but I think we can lower, select all of that and lower the thickness or the extrusion. For this one, I think it's white. I think maybe this color and plastic, adding plastic. This is the first version, so we can call it V1, and we can duplicate this collection and make another version V2. The V2 may be selected and move to be here, and we will make an insert or cut from here. So using bool tool, you can press control minus and again control minus and make it shade auto smooth. So we have two versions, one with extrusion and one with in such as this. Let's go to enable, let's enable cavity, and this one will be this color. I think let's maybe adding here an image, and it's around 6 minutes, no problem. Let's go here and add this material, and this material will be white, this will be completely white, and roughness maybe 0.15, and for the plastic it will be 0.2, and we can make it lighter color, and this one will be this color, and that's fine. Let's see the materials. All right. So here is the final result after applying the materials. But one more thing, you can apply here the boolean, and after that, let's select all of these faces, and after that, let's again select all of these faces and add another material which is the white, and again the same thing will be here. Let's select all of that and apply to be white. That's fine for now, and you can of course render that. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you want to learn more about product design, check the link is in the description. Check my course on Udemy and Skillshare, and a lot of my courses on my channel and on my website. So thanks for watching this video. See you in another tutorial.